So the first thing we're going to do is take down all the fencing at the back. We always put that around for safety, particularly when you're working in a school. You've always got inquisitive kids that are going to run around the back of the castle and pull a plug out maybe. They don't often do it, but you just rope it off just for safety reasons. So we take down all the netting at the back. The kids have all gone home now, the fun day's all over. They broke up for the holidays. We're just going to fold over the safety barrier, the netting as we call it. And then we'll undo the cable and then start to pull the castle into the centre. Now, as we say, it is an adult castle. It's a very large one. It weighs about 150 kilos, so it's pretty heavy. And it weighs considerably more than that if it's wet. And they're not no fun to roll up when they're wet, believe me. But in this case, it's nice and dry, so we didn't have to worry about that. That wasn't an issue. So we just fold it into the centre. We're going to take the pegs out there. We use just a spare peg to go round the back of it. There's 6 pegs on this castle. 2 at each side and 2 at the back. And as I say, we're going to fold it into the centre like that, squashing it down as you go. Now it always helps if before you go to pick it up, if you're at school, you can always phone ahead or message and ask the operator or the one supervising if they can just deflate it for you. It speeds it up, gets most of the air out before you arrive, but obviously still going to be some in there. So what we do is we use the old crash mats and we go from the front of the castle walking backwards like that. Just keep squashing it out, pushing it out to the deflation zips which are at the back of the castle. Doesn't take too long, but it just gets a lot more of the air out really. And you want to try and get it as thin as possible. Now to get our straps ready, we'll put them right underneath the castle before we start rolling it. One on each side. Get the mats out of the way as well.